Used to be frightened, jumping from mountains, but now I'm enlightened.
I am tired, boss. And yes, I am the boss that I'm talking about. I have so many things on my to-do list and I don't know where to start. I was feeling overwhelmed when I woke up this morning and I decided to hire an assistant. And as a creative entrepreneur that's still figuring this thing out, that really don't have the funds to shell out to my own personal virtual assistant, I am going to go the route of hiring Miss AI. I don't know where to start, but I have a video shoot tomorrow that I still haven't storyboarded for. So last minute work putting together a storyboard. I am finishing up this course little by little. Oh my gosh, if you're creating a course, more power to you because it is a lot of pieces to this. I went ahead and used ChatGPT, and in ChatGPT, I told her the most important task that I want to tackle today. I let her know that today I was going to need her to be my coach and my assistant so I can finish my workload. So the things that I told her that I wanted to get done today is creating my slides for my course in Canva, finish photoshopping a client's favorites, creating a video storyboard for tomorrow's shoot and send it to customer and add the slides to the video in CapCut if I have time later on today. And I asked her for her help with putting my day together. And this is what she came up with. So first of all, ChatGPT, like starting off using this, it was feeling like really robotic-ish, but I legit feel like a person is emailing me right now. She says, "Good morning. Sounds like you've got a busy but productive day." Can I read? She said, "Good morning. Sounds like you've got a busy but productive day ahead. Let's break it down." So this is how she broke it down. First, I'm going to prioritize my task and start with the most time sensitive or important tasks. And since I have a shoot tomorrow, creating the video storyboard might be a good place to begin. She's not wrong about that. I definitely should get that first. And me, because I've been so stuck on this course, I probably would have went and did those slides first and been stuck on that all day and rushing through the storyboard. So good suggestion. And then she allocated time slots for me. The video storyboard first. It is 9:47 right now. She said 9 a.m. start time, but I'm just now starting. So video storyboard, an hour and a half. Canva slides, an hour and a half. Photoshop editing, an hour and a half. And CapCut video editing, an hour and a half. This is really good. Hopefully my computer cooperates today and doesn't move slowly, but I really like this. She gave me some tips as well to eliminate distractions. Most of us will pull out our phones and scroll through social media, and we don't really realize how much time that actually takes from our day. So I'm going to be mindful of that today. It says notifications and emails, but I naturally zone all of that out. It's just when I pick up my phone, I need to remind myself to be intentional, get what you came in there for, and get out. Breaks and refreshment. That's another tip that she gave me. Remember to take short breaks between tasks to recharge. Grab a snack or take a quick walk to clear your mind. It's raining outside and I have this fro, so I don't know about that walk. Flexibility, stay hydrated, and celebrate your achievements. I really, really like this. So if you're a solo creative entrepreneur and you're handling these tasks by yourself, go ahead and get yourself a virtual assistant through ChatGPT. Put the day into the text thread and see what ChatGPT populates for you. If anything, at least you have something in front of you where you can just check off the list as you go. So I'm going to go ahead and try this. I'm not going to waste too much time talking because I really do have a lot of stuff to do. And I know I'm starting off with not so high energy levels today. So I might as well milk the energy that I have right now. So I'll check back in and let y'all know the progress, and we'll see how the day goes.
Used to be frightened, jumping from mountains. But now I'm enlightened. Life is no island, just let the light in. Don't have to be afraid, oh no. See, I'd rather fall. And you don't have to worry about me. I just wanna live free.
I used to tread light on a tightrope until I jumped free with my eyes closed. Every moment in life is like a slideshow, and I'm just pulling strings for the maestro. There's a question I'll ask you, who will you answer to? We all gotta take a course, life is an institute. If you wanna truly soar, nothing can limit you. A light in a dark room, ain't nobody dimming you. Yeah, I can't settle. Young brown boy, mama told me I was special. Learn to manage my risk, ain't no way to lose. Why you holding on to fear? You got a parachute. Check the longitude and latitude. It's all determined by your attitude. Cause I want better for mine. Walking at the vision, see all I needed was time.
Used to be frightened, jumping from mountains. But now I'm enlightened. Life is no island, just let the light in. Don't have to be afraid, oh no. See, I'd rather fall. And you don't have to worry about me. I just wanna live free.
Jump.
I'm falling. Free falling. Don't have to be afraid, oh no. See, I'd rather fall. And you don't have to worry about me. Cause I'm gonna live free.
Jump.
Free falling.
So I'm done with the storyboard. That only took an hour. I really thought it was going to take longer. I'm sending that off to the client, and it's 11. Ooh, it's 11:11 right now. Ashe. I received. The whole purpose of storyboarding for me is I don't like to go into video and photo shoots with nothing planned. I am a creative, but just because I'm a creative does not mean that I want to be doing everything at the top of my head, because I don't think a lot of people realize that as a videographer, photographer, I'm not just picking up my camera. There's so much more to what we do, and the creative direction and the planning is a part of that. If I can get that all out the way and I can have something to go off of when I'm shooting, when I'm filming, I'm good. I might look like I'm holding it together, but I am panicking inside because I don't know how it's going to turn out. But at least when I have this storyboard, I know how the shoot is going to go. I know it can always change because, like I said, I'm a creative, so I'm going to go with the flow and see what works. But I love having a plan, and I'm happy that I got that storyboard finished because it's going to be at least 15 women there. And you know that having a whole bunch of people at one time, got to have a plan. It's going to be a lot of different energies together, and I just want to make sure that I do my part so we can still have a great final product. I just went ahead and planned out the concept for the whole video so we can make sure that everybody gets an interview, and we can make sure that we capture those candid moments of everybody interacting together and what the organization means to this client. Hopefully I'll be able to show y'all that final product, but with this storyboard, it's gonna be good. I'm really happy that I got through that. because I was not feeling it when I first woke up. That just goes to show it's not going to feel good every time that you're getting up and you're doing this work, especially if you're doing it full time and you're the one that has to make your own schedule. It is really cloudy outside and it's been like that all week. It's Saturday. I have done minimal work this week because it's been like this all week. And today I'm like, you know what? I can't do this next week. I got things that I need to do. And if I don't get this done, it's going to hold me back. You got to be the one to push yourself. And some of those days is not going to look pretty. I do believe that you have to give yourself rest. I am not that person because I'm going to give myself some rest. Who was it that said it? I was watching the Country Wayne interview.
Right. God will have it lined up. If sleep and rest, if you ain't got time to sleep, rest, and get something to eat, that ain't God.
Right.
Because I'm going to get me something to eat, and I'm going to rest. If I can't get my 8 hours and something to eat, this ain't for me.
And I felt that. Like, I'm going to be the person to get my rest, but I'm going to get some shit done. Some days you just got to push through. And today is one of those days, but thanks to my virtual assistant, we got some things done. So shout out to AI. I'm gonna have to give my AI a name because it looks like I'll be contracting AI for a little while since she's doing so well. She gasses me up and everything. Who doesn't like that?